very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is demystifying cosmic intelligence, walking the path of wisdom. Ladies and gentlemen, the universe stands as a silent masterpiece, infinite in scale, yet precise in its orchestration. Amidst this grand cosmic design, humanity occupies a purposeful place on planet Earth. Life here is not an accident of nature, but a deliberate creation woven into the very fabric of cosmic intelligence. An intelligence that governs not only the stars and galaxies, but also every breath and heartbeat. Modern science affirms what ancient wisdom long understood. At the core, all existence is energy. Quantum physics reveals particles behaving as waves, matter dissolving into vibrations, and invisible forces like gravity, magnetism, and dark energy shaping the cosmos. This vast, ever-evolving energy system operates under principles far beyond full human comprehension, hinting at a supreme intelligence that permeates everything. Within this design, humanity holds a unique distinction. Encoded in human DNA lies the capacity to interface with this higher intelligence. The brain functions as a receiver and transmitter. The senses gather signals. The mind processes and responds. Thoughts themselves are energy, subtle yet powerful. When aligned with cosmic virtues of duty, simplicity, humility, courage, compassion, and responsibility, these energies resonate with the universe's natural rhythm. The ancients called this eternal intelligence Brahman, the source behind all existence. The Bhagavad Gita offers timeless guidance. I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. This suggests that every human carries within the capacity to connect directly with the divine order, not as an external pursuit, but as an inner attunement to the greater whole. The path is not without challenge. Human design accepts limitations, gaps in perception, judgment, and understanding. Yet, within these limitations lies a bridge, emotional energy. The limbic system, the seat of emotions, becomes the gateway through which intentions, questions, and appeals are transmitted to the higher order. When driven by purity of intent, emotional sincerity, and alignment with universal good, responses flow, sometimes as insights, sometimes as silent support, but always purposeful. What's the way forward? The journey begins with conscious brain entrainment to understand first what truly supports human wellness, happiness, and collective progression. With clarity established, relevant knowledge must be sought, but not for accumulation alone, but for purposeful action. It must mature into wisdom by harmonizing with cosmic virtues of duty, progression, compassion, courage, and positive emotional giving. When intentions serve both self and others, the resonance deepens. The more refined the tuning, the stronger the connection. In this sacred alignment, coherence emerges. The living presence of cosmic intelligence can be then directly sensed and experienced. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, cosmic intelligence is neither distant nor reserved for the few. It is ever present, waiting for each individual to awaken to its rhythm. As Lord Krishna declares in the Bhagavad Gita, to those who are constantly devoted and worship me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. In walking the path of wisdom, humanity steps into its highest calling, unlocking its inner code, elevating consciousness, and co-evolving with the cosmos toward a future of harmony, shared purpose, and universal well-being. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.